Winter storm warning for Garfield, Colorado, Mesa, Colorado, Rio Blanco, Colorado, Moffat, Colorado, Route, Colorado, Eagle, Colorado, and Picken, Colorado, beginning at 1:03 a.m. the 1st of January, 2022 and ending at 9:33 a.m. the 1st of January, 2022. What? Heavy snow. Total snow accumulations of 12 to 24 inches with localized amounts up to 3 feet. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. Where? Gore and Elk Mountain soar Central Mountain Valleys, Flat Tops, Roan and Tavaputs Plateaus and Elkhead and Park Mountains. When? Until 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Saturday. Impacts. Travel will be difficult. Patchy blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility, especially on ridge tops. A detailed map of the snowfall can be found at www.weather. Winter. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.
Every single lie that tells me I will never.
Todd and Trigg, in the following counties, in Tennessee, Montgomery and Stewart. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 2 has been issued until 7 a.m. Saturday for the following counties: in Kentucky, Christian, Lyon, Muhlenberg, Todd and Trigg, and the following counties: in Tennessee, Montgomery and Stewart.